guys, welcome back to my channel. How y'all doing today? I am doing quite fine. But today I will be doing another football team. So stay tuned of what I have in the pattern and all that good stuff. Stay tuned. And yeah, be back. So today I will be doing these colors. No, that's not what I want first. Which is purple and gold. I have a little bit of silver in here too. I don't want to make the bracelets just with gold on there, and the charm is silver. So I put some silver in there to even it out. Yep. But yeah, how are y'all today? That up there so I know what I'm doing. I'll be having more bracelets to do. I'll probably do a video probably twice a day. Depends on how I feel. Or if I'm not busy or anything. But stay tuned because I'm going to do this bracelet off of camera and then I'll come back so y'all can see how it look. Yes, see how it look. So now I'm tying it up. This is what it's looking like. What do y'all think? Well, I'm going to cut them off, but I'm showing y'all. Snip, snip away. Put it in there. That's one bracelet. Be back. Ooh. So I'm back. This is the design that I am going for. Out here, they trying to run from me and stuff, and today, no, not having it today. So what I have 3 patterns on here. Purple, purple gold, purple, 3 patterns, and then I have a spacer with another tiny little bead, gold bead on there, and another spacer. So that's how it's gonna be throughout. Well, on this clip, this is what it's gonna be on this. I thank y'all for commenting, y'all liking, and y'all subscribing to the videos on my channel. You know, I appreciate every bit of it. I really want to get up to 500 subscribers. So if y'all can do that, the one that's not subscribed to my channel, I really appreciate that. I know it's gonna happen. I see it. May go past that, but I'm just saying that's in advance. Yep. I'm gonna come back with how this bracelet's gonna look with the other one, like I do in my other videos. So stay tuned. Don't click off now. Don't even go through it real fast to see. Just watch and just watch it and just relax. So I'll be back. Here's this one. I only did one charm on it because it's for a man, but let them know it's the football team. Yes. So that's what it's looking like. Mm-hmm. I don't know if I want. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. But I like it though. Yeah. Be back. Mm. Okay, so this is what I have. I'm gonna put these little blingies on here. Not these, but these things on there. I'm doing one by one. I don't want you. Well, I say I need them the needle things so I can put it on here faster. Because I said my mic okay, it's still on cause be talking and this thing go right on out. And that be pissing me off. And making me real mad. So I'm doing it like this, that pattern, but then I'm putting the spacers in. They're messed up. I'm gonna put the spacer in between them, gold and silver, in between each bead, so it can really matches the other two. Is these. So I'm gonna come back with the final, because I know this one is gonna be long because of the way I'm doing it. Yeah, I need a needle for my thing so it can go a little faster, because it's saying where it's at right now. Once I see one when I go to the store, I'm gonna get it. It just messed up. But I'll be back with how it looks when how it looks. I'll be back. So I'm back. I think they're a little bit too damn far. And this is what I have. Pattern that I have on here. That's why I don't talk much, because you gotta focus and not mess up. And that's what I'm be doing, talking, and I mess up. And then So, and I don't like when I do that. See, just broke. So I gotta do it again. Yeah, I gotta do it again. So I come back and let y'all see how it all come out. Sorry to mess up on camera. It is. It's just your faults. But just know it's gonna be right once you mess up. So I'll be back. So this is what I have. This one. And you got this one. And the charmer. But the small one will go in the middle, or however they will wear it. Well, hold on, let me fix y'all. Y'all can see my beautiful face. But anyways, this is what I have right here of the football team one. So, yep. So thanks for watching my video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that bell notification so you know when I post another video. Bye.